You remember the days when every startup needed an app, right? Like if you didn't have an iOS app with a minimalist logo and a waitlist, were you even disrupting anything? But fast forward to now, and something strange is happening. A lot of developers are quietly avoiding mobile dev. Not because it's hard, okay, maybe partly because it's hard, but because web dev is kind of eating its lunch.
Give me your lunch money!
And yes, I know, saying mobile dev is dying sounds dramatic, but hang on, because it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. Let's look at where the industry is actually going. These days, you'll notice fewer companies rushing to build fully native mobile apps from scratch. The hiring trends are shifting. Search up the latest Stack Overflow developer survey or GitHub's language trends. You'll see that Swift and Kotlin, while still relevant, are getting overshadowed by JavaScript, TypeScript, and cross-platform frameworks like React Native and Flutter. More dev job listings are asking for React experience that includes mobile capabilities, not the other way around. Even among users, there's a drop in App Store engagement. People aren't downloading new apps like they used to. They're sticking to their core apps and handling everything else through the mobile web. So what's replacing those native apps? Responsive design, progressive web apps, cross-platform frameworks. We're talking websites that just adapt to whatever device you throw at them. Your phone, tablet, or a smart fridge if you're feeling chaotic. Tools like Tailwind, Media Queries, and Flexbox grid systems have evolved so much that building a responsive layout is now just expected. It's not a bonus anymore, it's the baseline. Add to that the rise of PWAs, and suddenly your website can behave like an app, installable, offline capable, and super smooth. And here's the wild part. The tech stack we're using to replace mobile dev is just web dev. React with Next.js, some CSS wizardry, and maybe a sprinkle of TypeScript to feel fancy. You can ship to every platform with the same code base. One dev team, one deployment pipeline, no separate Android and iOS nightmares. You're not just saving time, you're actually moving faster. Why write Swift and Kotlin when you can write React and go home early? This shift matters, especially for developers. Back in the day, being a mobile dev was like being in an elite club. You had to know the quirks of Xcode, fight Android Studio, and memorize Apple's App Store guidelines like a sacred scroll. Now, most job listings just want you to know React, and maybe have touched React Native or Flutter. Mobile dev has gone from craft to feature. It's one of many deliverables in a bigger full-stack workflow. You're not a mobile dev anymore. You're a web dev with a really good media query setup. Now look, I'm not saying native mobile dev is completely useless. If you're building AR apps, performance-heavy games, or hardware-integrated stuff like camera apps or drone controllers, you still need that low-level native control. That's not going away. But those are niche. Most apps, they're just content and buttons and infinite scrolling, and that's the web's playground now. So yeah, mobile dev isn't dead, it just got absorbed, assimilated, eaten by the web, Borg style. What used to be an entire engineering discipline is now a screen size setting in your CSS file. JavaScript won. It brought its friends HTML and CSS, and together they kicked Swift out of the startup office. So next time you're debating whether to build a native app or a responsive web app, remember, unless your app controls a rocket or uses LiDAR, maybe, just don't. Build a solid web app, ship fast, and let the JavaScript ecosystem do its thing. Also, if you've got a mobile dev horror story or a Swift success story, drop it in the comments. I want to hear the drama. Oh, and if you are in the middle of designing your next web app, or God forbid, mobile app, you can grab inspiration from Mobbin. Good design matters, even if the Pixel Police take it too far. That's where Mobbin comes in.
I got you, homie!
The world's biggest app design library with over 500,000 real-world screens from over 1,200 top apps. Whether you're a designer, PM, or dev, Mobbin helps you find UI inspiration, benchmark competitors, and study, best practices for buttons, forms, layouts, and flows. No paywalls, no endless scrolling, just clean categorized design examples, and even a Figma plugin for instant exports. Oh, and it's free to try. Links in the description. Go get inspired the legal way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe to become a fellow Codehead.